Okay, so in this video I will explain how to connect Google Calendar with War Reminders. So we can sync Google Calendar events with War Reminders app, and this way you can send WhatsApp messages based off Google Calendar events. So first let's create a template, my Google Cal template. Hey, you have this event on this date at this time. See you soon. So we have this. Then we go to Google Cal, enable Google Calendar Sync, select the template, select when do we want to send this message, so 30 minutes before the time of the event, and then hit save. Okay, so now our Google Calendar automatically syncs with War Reminders. The way to make it work is you go to Google Calendar and create an event. We will name it my first War Reminder. And then we can do two different things. We can either include the recipient phone number here on the title, or we can also use the description for that. So I will send a message to myself. So my number is this one, 336 419 0884. And then you also have to remember that the phone number needs to be using the international format, and it needs to have empty spaces or white spaces between. So you cannot do this won't work. You need to use this number, but this will work. So this is the phone number, and then a white space between the number and the text. You can also do the same here with the plus sign, but for the sake of this example we will leave it like this. And you also need to use the default calendar. This is the one with the name of the Google account, and it's the one used by Google by default. So you hit save, and then if we wait 1 or 2 minutes, we will see the event right there. Okay, now if we go to the dashboard and hit reload, we will be able to see the event right here. Okay, now we can see the event in our dashboard. And if Google Calendar Sync doesn't work, please keep in mind that you need to log in with Google on War Reminders for it to work. So just log out and log in on War Reminders with Google sign on, and then it should start working again. Okay, so now it's 30 minutes before the event occurs, and that's what we have here on settings. So if we go to WhatsApp, I got the message from myself. And there's also another way to do it. You can get our Chrome extension. It's named War Reminders. And if you have Google Chrome and you want to create a Google Calendar event, my event, if you type that /WA, you will get a pop-up with the list of your WhatsApp contacts, and you can use that instead of having to remember the phone number for the recipient of this WhatsApp message based on this event. And this is the message we got. So it reads, hey, you have my first reminder. This is the title of the event. We were using this event title variable. And then it reads this instead of the month, day, and year. And this is because we were missing a curly bracket here. So you'll have to fix that to make it work, and just check that it's properly formatted. And then it also reads at 9 a.m. This is the time of the event, and it's replaced by it got replaced when we used this variable. So I think that's all. If you have any questions, feel free to write us a message.